king of Moab brought me from the eastern hills. Come, he said, curse Jacob for me. Come and announce Israel's doom. How can I curse those whom God has not cursed? How can I condemn those whom the Lord has not condemned? I see them from the cliff tops. I watch them from the hills. I see a people who live by themselves, set apart.
Yeshua alone my soul waited for, and he always came on time. Yeah, I will praise you, Lord, with all my heart. So many marvelous things you did. I'm constantly filled with so much joy as I'm singing praises to you. All my enemies have retreated. They collapsed and died when you appeared. You always judge in my favor, cause you search my heart and you know me. From your mighty throne you'll be judging with fairness and righteousness, rebuking nations and wicked men who have denied your existence. Yeah, Yeshua, Prince of Peace. Yeshua, King of Kings. Yazunzuru urukundo ruhoraho, niyo mpamvu nanjye mushima. Yahinduye umwijima urumuri, none nsigaye mbonaho nyura. Yeshua, Yeshua alone my soul waited for, and he always came on time. Never late, never too early, yeah. All the nations who ignore God will go down to the grave. The ones who are oppressed, help is on the way. Haguruka mana niwemere, aba bantu bagusuzugura. Ni wowe naragijwe uhereye ivuka ryanje, n'urubyaro rwa Isiraheli. Nimuhimbaze iyo Mana, dore badukuye ikimwaro kubera umwana wayo. You're my hiding place forever and my shield. In you alone lies my hope. Yeshua, Yeshua, yankunze urukundo ruhoraho, niyo mpamvu nanjye mushima. Yahinduye umwijima urumuri, none nsigaye mbonaho nyura. Yeshua alone, Yeshua alone my soul waited for, and he always came on time. Never too early, never too late, just the time, perfect timing. Yeah, yankunze urukundo ruhoraho, Imana ihoraho. Yankunze urukundo ruhoraho, Imana ihoraho. Niyo mpamvu nanjye nishima. Yahinduye umwijima urumuri, none nsigaye mbonaho nyura. Yeshua alone did it, thanks to the Father. Yankunze urukundo ruhoraho, niyo mpamvu nanjye mushima. Yahinduye umwijima urumuri, none nsigaye mbonaho nyura. Yeshua did it.